This is the Dragonfly Quatrefoil rubber cling stamp by Deep Red Stamps. The stamp measures approximately 3 inches tall by 2 inches wide. To use the stamp, simply remove the white liner paper off of the cling side and place the stamp onto an acrylic block or stamping platform. The cling adheres to the acrylic block, and you can now add your favorite kind of ink, stamping ink, to the rubber stamp. In this video, I used white smooth cardstock, and you firmly press onto the acrylic block onto the surface, and you'll see that this stamp has some beautiful detail to it. You can see the dragonfly wings, the ribbon, the flowers in the background of the design. To clean your rubber stamp, you can use a damp paper towel with a little bit of dish soap. To remove the ink completely, you can use Ultra Clean or Stays-On stamp cleaner. To store the stamp, simply remove the stamp off the acrylic block, and our stamps come with a storage card that you place the stamp onto the back of the card and store it for the next time you go to use it.